we're back. It's been a crazy 2 weeks, and we did take a little break in making these little vlogs, but we're back and ready to rock and roll. Last week has been especially crazy because Ethan had surgery. To make a long story short, he's in a medical trial for Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, and he needs to get biopsies done. So day one, Monday, was all day appointments at Amores. Beautiful vegetables growing outside Amores. Isn't it awesome?
What is this?
It's all green, but look.
These are also cabbages, Mom.
Broccoli.
Hello.
Because we had to wake up and get blood draw so late and wake up so early, they decided to keep us there overnight. It was pretty comfortable actually. Not a lot of traffic. The next day, early morning, he had to prep for surgery, but he was feeling a little bit scared, and I totally get it.
I feel kind of nervous because I'm gonna have a biopsy today.
Can you show me your old biopsy? Ouch. What did they take?
A muscle out.
A piece of your muscle?
Yeah, and it just grew back.
It grew back, huh? Regardless, he did an amazing job. He actually held back tears every time they had to poke him. So it was nice to see that he's a brave little boy. Braver than most people I know. Although I was by myself with Ethan the first night on the Monday, the next day, Carlos had to drop off the girls because he had to go to work. And it was just so much fun. We were just waiting for Ethan, and then we were keeping him entertained. So it was pretty awesome.
These children smell like cinnamon.
I've learned as I've been journeying through motherhood is that you have to let your kids do certain things regardless of how messy it might get, and for me that is baking. The girls love baking. You also have to give them that chance and opportunity to do that. It's so fun to see them shine and see them so excited when they're pouring milk or scooping flour. Like it, but check it out. This is what I did. And now you're gonna beat it. Not that fast. Not too fast. And it's getting me. finished baking these cookies, it was time to try them, and they were delicious. So they did a good job, although they ate most of the dough. So for Valentine's Day, because we just had finished surgery with Ethan, we couldn't really go anywhere, so we kind of left it off for Friday of that week. And let me tell you, it was amazing. One, I guess, adult tip: go on dates. It was just so much fun. It's like reconnecting all over again. Not only with your spouse, but then you get to reconnect with friends, and it was just so much fun. Date night, baby.
Yes.
Where are we going? Oh,
Topgolf.
We're gonna try to go in there. Hopefully it's not
Full.
full, because if it is, then we're gonna be going somewhere else. Hopefully.
We'll have fun
Anyway,
tonight.
see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred
We loved the place. We had fun, we had great food, and great company with friends. We had a blast. If you've never been to Topgolf, go. If you have been, go again. And if you want to come with us, let me know. So yeah, it was a very busy week. And we still have busy weeks, but that's totally okay. We like to think that life is an adventure, and it wasn't just made to maybe feel discouraged or sad. It was also made to have fun and enjoy it. Take those little moments in life and make it into an adventure. Either it's in your house, on the playground, halfway across the world. Just have fun and enjoy the world that God has given us. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the support, and we hope that we can inspire you. And until next time.